In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint presentation presenter view in Google Meet. This is a handy feature that allows you to engage with your audience more effectively during virtual meetings. Whether you're an educator, a professional, or anyone who frequently presents online, utilizing this feature can significantly enhance your presentation skills and keep your audience focused and engaged. Let's dive in. The first step is to open the PowerPoint presentation you have prepared on your computer. Make sure it's the correct version with all the updated content you wish to present. Having your presentation ready beforehand ensures that your meeting proceeds smoothly. Next, navigate to the Slideshow tab in PowerPoint. From there, you'll want to select Play from Beginning. This action will activate the presenter view within PowerPoint. Presenter view is a major asset as it allows you to see your notes and preview upcoming slides, giving you the upper hand in managing the flow of your presentation and maintaining a confident delivery. With the presentation set up in PowerPoint, it's time to shift focus to Google Meet. Start by opening Google Meet and joining the meeting you're scheduled to attend. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and your camera and microphone settings are optimized for clarity. Once you're in the meeting, you'll want to proceed to share your presentation with your audience. To initiate sharing, click on the Present Now button located within the Google Meet controls. This option is your gateway to displaying your PowerPoint to all participants in the meeting. The Present Now feature is invaluable for ensuring everyone remains on the same page and that your visual aids align perfectly with your spoken presentation. After selecting Present Now, you'll be prompted to choose how you wish to share your content. At this stage, opt for a window from the list of presentation options. This choice is crucial because it allows you to specifically select your PowerPoint window rather than your entire screen, thereby maintaining privacy for other open applications or documents. Finally, select the window that is displaying your PowerPoint slideshow. By focusing on the specific window, all participants will see your slides as you navigate through them in presenter view. This setup not only keeps you organized, but ensures that the audience sees precisely what you intend to show in real time. With these steps, you are now effectively using PowerPoint's presenter view in conjunction with Google Meet. This setup allows you to enhance your communication, engage your audience, and deliver presentations with confidence and professionalism. Practice makes perfect, so consider running through these steps a few times to become comfortable with the flow of starting your presentations. Enjoy your newfound presentation capabilities and make all your virtual meetings more impactful.